We've all had the burning questions about our finances, right? Well, worry no more. Question 1. How can I budget? Ever wondered how to save more without turning your life upside down? The key is in budgeting, but not the boring, restrictive kind. Track your income and expenses for a month, and you'll start seeing where you can cut back without feeling the pinch. It's about making small, manageable changes. For instance, if you're overspending on dining out, set a monthly limit. And here's a pro tip. Automate your savings. Set up different buckets for your goals and watch your savings grow effortlessly. Question 2. How can I improve my credit score? Improving your credit score can feel like a mystery, but it's simpler than you think. Start with timely payments. They're crucial. Keep your credit card balances low. Using less than 30% of your credit limit is a good rule of thumb. Mix it up with different types of credit, like a car loan or a credit card, and remember, a long credit history works in your favor, so think twice before closing old accounts. Regularly check your credit reports for errors. They're more common than you'd think. Question 3. Where do I start saving for retirement? Planning for retirement doesn't have to be a headache. Ever heard of the 25x rule or the 4% rule? They're your friends here. Simply put, multiply your annual expenses by 25 to get your retirement savings nest egg goal, or use the 4% rule to determine how much you can withdraw annually in a safe manner. Adjust these numbers based on your lifestyle and voila, you have a solid retirement plan. Question 4. What bank do I use? When it comes to picking a bank for your savings, look for FDIC insurance. It's your safety net. Avoid banks with high fees or steep minimum balance requirements. And don't forget to hunt for the best interest rates on your savings. Online banks often offer higher rates, so they're worth considering. Question 5. Are online banks safe? Absolutely. As long as they're FDIC insured, you'll likely get better interest rates than traditional banks because they don't have to pay for the overhead of having banks in your local area. Just make sure you're practicing safe online banking. Think strong passwords and avoiding public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. Are you enjoying this video? Like it so we can bring you more financial content like this. Question 6. How can I save for college? College costs are a pretty penny, but starting to save early for your kids can take the sting out. Consider a high-yield savings account or a 529 investment plan. And remember, most students don't pay the sticker price thanks to financial aid, so use net price calculators for a more accurate college cost estimate. Question 7. How do I look to buy a home? Dreaming of your own home? Start by saving for that down payment. Typically, it's at least 20% down, but with an FHA loan, it could be as little as 3.5% of the total purchase price. Budgeting and bucketing your savings can help you save for your dream home. And when it comes to mortgages, remember, a bigger down payment means better terms, but there are options for smaller down payments too. Question 8. How can I teach my kids about finance? Want to teach your kids the value of money? Open a savings account for them as soon as they have a social security number. You can choose between a custodial account, which is an UTMA, or a joint account with you, depending how much you want to control them and what they have. Question 9. How do I borrow money? Need to borrow money? Understand the loan terms first. How much you'll repay, how long it's going to be, and what happens if you can't pay. Compare different types of loans to find out the best fit for your needs, whether it's an installment loan or revolving account, and make sure you understand an interest rate. The lower the better. Question 10. Should I even buy a house? The age-old question, to rent or to buy. Both have their pros and cons. Renting offers flexibility and less responsibility for maintenance, while buying can provide stability and potential property value appreciation. Use a detailed rent or buy calculator to see what makes financial sense for you and your circumstances. And there you have it. The top 10 money questions answered in a way that's easy to understand and apply. Remember, managing your finances doesn't have to be daunting. With the right implementation and a sound bit of planning, you can make smart decisions that lead to a secure and prosperous future for you and your family. So take these tips, apply them to your life, and watch your financial health improve. Stay savvy, my friends, and keep those finances in check. Remember, this is not financial advice. Wythdrawl Investing Insights, signing off.